Adishima ye mobibia kwa bade moba Vibe Africa kasie eso ensema hodo amensa kan na mede besom mahwefo eni amobeti eye abena boachiwa yiadom afe ensem no enchiremu eni ewo mfimpinu eni donsia proba na danko akufuado ekoye na ne bo sha o hye yesese to abama no no betena benwa so a obeboa ede eye one constituency one ambulance na afe aboa amampumude ho nsem so etimi afa ne ntema pa ede efra enanu ada enkampumpuni mantem ha sei ewo Independence Square na dwumadie ehye so ema one constituency one ambulance na dwumadie no so etimi eba eso na ambulance aban na ekra ede ba o man Ghana mu ha sei na ye ahasa ene enson chese 307 ena aban no etimi dia ba eboa ama apumude ho nsem so etimi afa ne ntema pa ede efra eno nanam so ama nanu ada eye former president John Dramani Mahama efre encentrofo enhyiamu eno de etu encentrofo nyina animsem Omampani abon ho modern se watimi edi dwumadie we ahyehye so nanso na bibi wo hono ehia ansa na ambulance na etimi aba eno ana wo kire ni nsemu a ayaresabia na nkese se osisi ewie na bibia etimi toto na akwa mu ansa na ambulance no enyina etimi abedu no omampani anye nenei enam so ma akwakofa eye ambulance ni nyina de abedu oman Ghana mu hasei eno ana wo kire ni nsemu a se asembi esi anase nkwanhia bisi na Saudi ambulance ne kofa nipa na so ayaresabia be na wodi enipa ne beko we ye niema na ehia pa se o mampanyi na adanko akufuado wadwene ho ansa no akofa ambulance no de aba o my Ghana mu yenti nsem ode to Vibe Africa kase eni.
All the hospitals that were being built to improve access to health care, you have brought them to a standstill. And instead you are glorifying in distributing ambulances. Where do ambulances take sick people? They take them to hospitals. And so our priority should be to finish the hospitals so that if an accident happens and you pick the patient, you have a good facility to send them to. And yet, Fomina Hospital, Kumaru Hospital, Abetifi Hospital, Bekwai Hospital, Tepa Hospital, Upper West Regional Hospital in Wa, Bogatanga Hospital, all those hospitals we started. University of Ghana Medical Center, Bank Hospital, International Maritime Hospital, have all come to a standstill. And yet you are distributing ambulances. And so you pick the person and send them where? And they say there's no bed. And then you get there, they have to put a plastic chair in accident and emergency for the people to sit in. I mean, there's a complete loss of...
What one in some so and what they to just say, ewo emfimpinu any edumienu any ni dumiensan esono and this yamanyoko wabra no te abenwa sono ambulance or kra edi free amanfo amanso de ba o man Ghana mu hasenu na ye wo ha aduosia ba ko 161 ambulances and what they eba o man Ghana mu hasen nanso wanye mu dede a magana fo nyina enhunu and so NPP amanyoko enei ambulance what they eba en waye hu dede magana fo nyina hu se ene ambulance no etimi aba bedu eno ana wo kye ensemu a wabra na NDC amanyoko ewo abenwa so no eyade a wo ye nyoma bebrede ma wo man Ghana nanso bebre na ni hono otimi bie wa no eka kye Ghana fo se enyema kese se no ayade abo ma o man no empuntu enu no oka ade a kye na danko akufuado ene NPP amanyoko nyina se aban eye wani so ade hu se obebo ma o man empuntu etimi agina ne naso eye wasede nso se obeye empuntu dwuma de aboa ama o man empuntu nso afa ne ntima pa efra na emum enye wasede se empuntu a obeye no obia be hu se wo ye empuntu e de aboa o man Ghana yenti nsem ode eto Vibe Africa kase eni.
And it's not the first time ambulances have been given. In 2012-2013, we brought 161 ambulances. We did not make posters and say we're distributing ambulances and so on and so forth. Yes, you have brought ambulances, fine. We brought ambulances, we brought fire engines. Almost every district got a fire engine. I didn't go and stand and make posters that I was distributing fire engines. There are many other things that we did without, it's government's obligation to do it. We gave the police more than 1,000 vehicles, the highest number of vehicles the police have ever had in the history of Ghana. Do you remember that I went and stood and touted it to high heaven? These are things that government must do.
Any ayeti say etwagui eye former president John Dramani Mahama. Ensem ni nyina ewieye ni ene amoti ye abena aboachiwa yadom. Me no bibia se ema mmone hwa adehye.